Good evening, everyone. This is Gaston Ravindias from Healthcare Engineering Private Limited. I'm the director of this company, and it's my great pleasure to have Mr. Salim and Ms. Kishra for this webinar. And I would like to hand over this session to my colleague, Ms. Sudharmini, who will coordinate this session. Over to you, Sudharmini.
Good evening, everyone. We are delighted to welcome you to today's session hosted by Healthcare Engineering Private Limited, along with ESOFT Metro Campus. We are a healthcare technology pioneering company based in Colombo, Sri Lanka, dedicated to advancing healthcare through innovative engineering applications and solutions. At Healthcare Engineering Private Limited, we are committed to enhancing the local and international healthcare sectors by providing comprehensive support to both professionals and students worldwide. Our services encompass online and physical trainings and internships for biomedical engineering, biomedical technology, and biomedical science students, conducting technical courses for upskilling their core knowledge, academic project assistance, guidance, and professional consultations, all aimed at elevating the academic project assistant, elevating the standard of healthcare technology and management. We take pride in fostering a collaborative platform that unites healthcare professionals across various disciplines, facilitating the exchange of knowledge and promotion.
Thank you, Sudharmini, for introducing about our company. And I believe it's time to start introducing our guest speakers. So, in today's webinar, we have two distinguished guest speakers from ESOFT Metropolitan Campus. So, I would like to invite Ms. Dharmini, our colleague, to introduce each and every guest speakers before start our session.
It is my absolute pleasure to introduce our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Salim Guzain, a distinguished leader in the field of life sciences and biomedical engineering. Mr. Guzain is currently serving as the head of School of Life Sciences, bringing a wealth of experience in academic leadership, program development, and institutional growth. His journey in education has been remarkable, having previously overseen academic and administrative operations and at ESOFT Metro Campus as center manager, where he played a pivotal role in financial planning, faculty development, and student engagement. His expertise extends beyond academia. As the head of biomedical studies at ESOFT, he was instrumental in launching Sri Lanka's first present BTech HND in biomedical engineering, developing state-of-the-art biomedical labs, and establishing key industry partnerships for student internships. In addition to his academic contribution, Mr. Guzain has an extensive background in the healthcare sector. As the head of Biomedical Engineering at commissioned hospitals and laboratories, led medical equipment procurement, and implemented ISO standard procedures. His tenure at Brown Hospitals further solidified his expertise in clinical engineering, preventive maintenance, and medical staff training. With a career dedicated to advancing biomedical education and healthcare technology, Mr. Hussain is an inspiring figure in this field. We are honored to have him with us today, and I am sure his insight will be invaluable. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Salim Hussain.
Welcome, Salim, for this webinar, and thank you for the introduction about Salim. And also, I would like.
Thank you, Jackson. Jackson, I think your mic got muted.
Once again, it is an honor to introduce our next distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Gizarami, a dedicated clinical and health psychology practitioner with a wealth of experience across multiple domains of psychology. Ms. Amin currently serves as a psychology lecturer and program coordinator at Campus One, where she plays a key role in curriculum design, faculty management, research supervision, and student mentorship. Her passion for psychology extends beyond the classroom as she actively contributes to academic research, including PhD dissertation, collaboration, and guiding student researchers. Her professional journey includes serving as a research lead administrator at Ford Consultancy, where she specialized in organizational psychology and employee well-being. Additionally, she has worked as a special need educator at Lyceum International School and an early childhood interventionist at Ceylon Speech, demonstrating her commitment to supporting individuals with diverse psychological needs. Academically, Ms. Amin holds an MSc in Clinical and Health Psychology and a BSc in Psychology, graduating with first-class honors as the batch topper from the University of West London. Her expertise also extends to psychotherapy and counseling. Having worked with deep haven counseling on a contract basis. She is actively involved in psychological awareness, combines psychological first aid and suicide prevention training, showcasing her dedication to mental health advocacy. With her extensive experience in clinical practice, research, and education, Ms. Amin brings invaluable insight into the field of psychology. We are delighted to have her with us today, and I'm sure we will all benefit greatly from her expertise. Please join.
Welcome, Ms.
Welcome, Ms. Kizra Amin, for this amazing webinar. I think it's time to start our session. Thank you, Sudharmini, for introducing our guest speakers. It's time to give the session to Mr. Salim and Kizara. So, Salim, you can take the session initially.
Thank you, Sudarshani and Getson and the healthcare team for inviting me to ESOFT Metro Campus as well as Campus One. It's a really honor and privilege for us to deliver this session at this moment. I think I'm audible and clear.
Salim, I believe your sound is little bit
Am I
maybe
audible
it's
now?
not
Am I
enough.
audible now? Is
We
the
are
sound
unable
better
to
now?
hear you clearly.
Is the sound better now?
No.
Okay. Just give me a moment. How's the sound now?
I think it's better now.
Okay, right. So I hope it's audible and okay, we can start the session and let me thank again Healthcare Engineering led by Mr. Gaston Ravidas for inviting ESOFT Metro Campus and Campus One. It's one of our subsidiary campuses as well. So my colleague Kizra is there to talk about psychology program. Myself, I'm here to talk about the biomedical engineering and biomedical science program. And moving on, let me share the slides.
Salim, a kind request, if possible, can you find some ways to increase your voice because still it's audible, though we feel it's not enough.
Okay, give me a moment.
How about the other participants?
Can you all hear me clearly?
Yeah, I think it's better. You can continue.
Thank you. So, give me a moment. Okay. So, can you all see the screen? Can you see my slide? I hope my slide is viewable.